Amid the growing enthusiasm for Ripple potentially going public with an initial public offering, Wall Street financial expert Linda Jones shared her view. Jones expressed that acquiring Ripple's shares now ahead of the IPO is a great buy. She shared this view in a recent LinkedIn investor meetup. Pro XRP influencer digital asset investor shared a snippet of the meeting with the crypto community. Recall that the Crypto Basic reported yesterday, based on expert data, that Ripple has a 98% probability of an IPO. In the conversation, Jones stressed that investors should look past the current Ripple share price of $40. She argued that investors should focus on the company's underlying value of around $6.6 billion. According to Jones, Ripple has the potential for substantial growth in the coming years. In her words, a valuation of something like $6.6 billion with Ripple has the potential to add a much greater value. Furthermore, Jones argued the potential of Ripple's growth, citing a comparison to the Coinbase exchange. She mentioned that the US-based crypto exchange went public with an $86 billion valuation. This figure implies that Ripple's current valuation is at least 10 times lower than Coinbase. Based on that, Jones suggested that people buying Ripple shares now could potentially experience more than a tenfold increase in their initial investment. Moreover, the Wall Street expert gave an instance. She noted that if an investor put $10,000 into Ripple, it could become a $100,000 investment. Interestingly, she believed the significant return on investment would materialize even without Ripple outperforming Coinbase's success. In her words, that's just if it doesn't do as well as Coinbase did. If it does better than Coinbase, which it could, and it could for one very important reason. Notably, the reason she believed Ripple could outstrip Coinbase's success relates to Ripple's accounting standard. In particular, Jones mentioned that Ripple currently assigns a zero value to its XRP asset on its balance sheet. The financial expert believes if Ripple were to assign a value to its XRP holdings at the current 50 cents, the growth potential could be substantial. And if Ripple used XRP's previous highs of approximately $3.84, it could result in a valuation over 14 times higher. This implies that the $10,000 investment could see an ROI of $140,000. Let's talk about the sponsor of this video, Fairdesk. This week, we are exhilarated to introduce an enthralling opportunity that has the potential to revolutionize your approach to trading XRP indefinitely at Fairdesk. No need for KYC verification or VPN for users across all regions. At Fairdesk, they firmly believe in furnishing you with the necessary tools for triumph. This is precisely why they are elated to extend the option of XRP leverage trading to global users, eliminating the inconvenience of KYC authentication or VPN constraints. Your voyage in the realm of trading has just become significantly smoother. Trade equitably, trade securely, your safety is of utmost importance. When you engage in trading with Fairdesk, you are operating within a sheltered and safeguarded environment. Fairdesk comprehends that trading involves inherent risks. Nevertheless, with an impressive maximum leverage of X125, you can amplify your prospective gains while ensuring the secure execution of your trades. Follow and copy trading. Are you grappling with time constraints or new to the world of trading? They have got you covered. The follow and copy trade feature enables you to seamlessly track experienced traders and mirror their strategies. Absorb wisdom from the experts and maximize your trading endeavors, even amidst life's hectic schedule. It's imperative to emphasize that we do not offer financial advisory services. Are you primed to unleash your latent trading aptitude? Embark on a journey to Fairdesk today through the link provided in the video description. Join a community of traders who uphold fairness, security, and promising prospects. Remember, at Fairdesk, the mission transcends mere trading. They are dedicated to trading with sagacity. Lastly, in the preceding week's competition orchestrated by Fairdesk, a $100 bonus was awarded. Now, brace yourself for the forthcoming fourth round. Fairdesk is launching a fresh phase of the competition, accessible for its users to partake in. To qualify, register via my provided link in the description. Participants are required to establish an account on Fairdesk using the provided link and subsequently initiate at least one copy trade or future trade. Back to our topic today. Prominent whale tracking platform Whale Alert first called attention to the escrow unlocks in a series of automated posts on X, formerly Twitter. All transactions occurred concurrently today at midnight. Notably, Ripple unlocked this month's 1 billion tokens across 4 uneven transactions today. The first transaction, escrow execution 11, released 200 million XRP valued at $102 million. Another transaction, escrow execution 13, involved 300 million XRP worth $153.2 million. The 200 million XRP and the 300 million XRP batches moved to the same Ripple-controlled address, bringing the address's balance to 1 billion XRP. The remaining two transactions involved the release of another batch of 500 million tokens. One transaction, escrow execution 12, saw the release of 400 million XRP worth $204.2 million. The last transaction, escrow execution 13, involved 100 million XRP valued at $51 million. None of the four transactions for this month came with a strange memo, as in August. Recall that one of the escrow release transactions for last month came with an eerie memo, triggering speculations among proponents. Currently, Ripple has yet to return any of the recently unlocked tokens to escrow. The firm typically locks back most of the unlocked tokens after taking out the required amount. It returned 800 million XRP last month. Shortly after the escrow release, Ripple moved 19.9 million XRP worth $10.1 million to Binance. These escrow releases and whale movements from Ripple coincide with a drop in XRP's value. Amid the prevalent market-wide correction, XRP has plummeted by 3.51% over the last 24 hours. XRP has continued to face declines since surging to 54 cents on August 29th. At its current price of 50 cents, XRP is down 7.4% from the August 29th high. The asset has registered two consecutive losing sessions over the last 2 days. However, XRP's bearish position is not unique, as the rest of the market is witnessing a corrective storm. Particularly, Bitcoin, the firstborn crypto, is down 4.48% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the overall crypto market has declined by 3.35% in valuation. Furthermore, this is according to data from the XRPL Analytical Resource Rich List. Notably, these addresses have slightly declined on the back of the long-standing bearish storm plaguing XRP and the broader crypto market. Recall that these addresses with at least 1 million XRP totaled 1,997 as of August 10th, per a report from the Crypto Basic. The current number of 1,987 represents a 0.5% decrease from the amount reported in August. Notably, of the current figure, addresses holding between 1 million and 5 million XRP have now dropped to 1,446. This figure was 1,461 last month, suggesting that this category of wallets has witnessed a decline of 15 addresses. However, in an interesting twist, addresses holding between 5 million and 10 million XRP have seen a mild increase. These wallets were 160 in number as of August 10th. Nonetheless, they have increased by 8 to the current figure of 168. This pattern suggests a trend of resilience among these holders. The increase, which comes at a time when other categories of holders have witnessed drops, represents sustained confidence despite the prevalent market turbulence. Meanwhile, addresses with balances between 10 million and 20 million XRP have dropped by 3. These addresses totaled 160 at the time of the previous report. However, they have now decreased to 157. Another category of addresses that increased over the past month is the wallets holding between 100 million and 500 million XRP. These wallets increased by 3, currently totaling 158. Addresses holding from 500 million to 1 billion XRP decreased by 2, with the current number amounting to 22. Interestingly, the largest class of holders, addresses with at least 1 billion XRP, did not see a change in number. These addresses amount to 5. Notably, the cumulative holding of these addresses now totals 42.7 billion XRP, currently valued at a whopping $21.6 million against current rates. This figure indicates that these wallets hold 80.6% of XRP's total circulating supply. The current balance also suggests that the cumulative holding of all wallets holding at least 1 million XRP has also decreased since August 10th. At the time of the previous report, the balance stood at 42.92 billion XRP. This indicates that over 190 million XRP has left their balance. Now to the big question of the day: following Chainlink's latest feat, who should be considered as XRP's topmost rival? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. In a recent tweet, a prominent XRP and Ripple critic argued that Chainlink had become XRP's topmost rival. The critic was ex-user Dan the Man. Dan expressed this sentiment amid Chainlink's recent partnership with Swift. The critic argued the Swift-Chainlink collaboration was one Ripple failed to attain. In his words, Chainlink is now the one competitor to XRP as it forged partnerships with Swift that Ripple failed to establish. Moreover, Dan reasoned that Ripple was hostile to Swift. He said Ripple sought to replace Swift rather than work collaboratively to promote blockchain. Since Chainlink excelled in partnering with SWFT, Dan believes Link now holds a better outlook than XRP. Furthermore, Dan alleged that alongside losing partnerships with MoneyGram and Swift, Ripple dropped on-demand liquidity volume from its markets report. In his view, the failed partnerships, the protracted lawsuits, and rival performances diminished the bullish potential of XRP. Additionally, he argued that XRP would become a less appealing solution for cross-border payments when Swift, the largest provider of cross-border payments, upgrades its technology with Chainlink. Notably, in a recent statement, Swift noted that its system can enable seamless tokenized value transfer across private and public crypto networks. It confirmed working with Chainlink and other prominent financial institutions. It is worth mentioning that while Ripple may have failed in partnering with MoneyGram and Swift, the firm holds other equally significant collaborations. For example, multiple central banks worldwide are seeking to build government-backed currencies using Ripple's solution. A Ripple executive recently revealed the payment firm is in active talks with 30 central banks worldwide to integrate Ripple's crypto solution. Additionally, as was previously reported, the government of Palau has entered a new stage in its collaboration with Ripple to launch the country's stablecoin on XRP Ledger. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.